Hey, do you want to increase your earnings, ride a cool bike and have zero commitments whatsoever? If your answer is yes, then let me introduce you to the VORC. So as you can see, this bike that we call VORC is quite unique and not like anything else you've seen before. It has 4 wheels, which makes it very stable. It has the roof, which makes deliveries in nasty weather not an issue. It has huge storage at the back, so you can deliver several orders at a time. And finally, and the main thing is, it has fully electric assistant pedaling with the battery power of up to 3 hours. And when you rent this bike, you get an additional battery for extra 3 hours of operation. So let me show how it works. So when you pick up the bike from the hub, you get the card. To start the bike, you simply tap this card against the lock. You hear a double beep, it means the bike is on, so you are ready to pedal. But let me talk you through the features of the bike first. The bike comes with the phone mount, so you can put it on your handlebar. Then it has the USB charge, so you can charge your phone on the go, which is very convenient. The bike obviously has lights, so you can turn them on by pressing this button. Plus it has side signals, which you wouldn't find on a normal bike. There is a screen that shows you the battery charge and how many miles left on this battery. Finally, if you're commuting in the city, you need a bell. And if it starts raining, you have a windscreen wipe. Just look at that. That's pretty cool. So to start moving, you simply remove the handbrake and you're good to go. Also, it's so convenient to use. You don't need to do any maintenance, store it or charge it. You just pick it up at the hub and return at the end of your rental slot. And if this is not enough to convince you to start using VORC, how about the additional benefits that you get while delivering on this bike? You actually get paid more when delivering on VORC. Just make sure that you are logged into your second Stewart account when delivering on the bike. There is a separate video on the sign-up process, and I will leave the link in the description to this video. Just make sure to check it. So that's all I wanted to show in this video. As you can see, there are lots of benefits of using VORC. It's easy to operate, it has lots of features, it has huge storage at the back, so you can deliver several orders at a time, and you get paid more when you're using VORC. So why don't you give it a try?